demands attention. The effects of global warming, natural disaster, and climate change are high of concerns both for environment and human life. We had better make efforts for contributive steps to prevent them. With the help of 3R's ETV project, the positive steps to create awareness will be taken not only local but also global. Recycle, reuse, reduce is our leading motto to prevent the degradation of the earth and cope with deforestation and pollution that threaten survival. Today, the members of 3R's e-twinning project from Gazi Secondary School is drawing attention to recycle, reuse, and reduce. Now, it's my students' time. Recycle, reuse, reduce.
Recycle,